Boost your income weekly side hustle plan. You hustling but your bank account ain't showing it, you're putting in the hours but not seeing the results? That's because you're missing one crucial thing, a plan. We're not talking about some wishy-washy, I'll get to it when I get to it kind of plan. We're talking about a structured, strategic, weekly attack plan to dominate your side hustle. In this video, I'm gonna break down exactly how to plan your week to maximize your income, even if you've got a 9-to-5 sucking the life out of you. Look, I get it, you're busy, you've got a job, maybe a family, responsibilities up the wazoo. But here's the thing, everyone's got the same 24 hours, it's about how you leverage those hours, how you squeeze every ounce of value out of them. That's what this weekly plan is all about. It's about giving you a framework, a system to maximize your productivity and ultimately, your income. We're not talking about grinding yourself to the bone either, this is about working smarter, not harder. It's about having laser focus during your dedicated hustle time so you can actually enjoy the rest of your life. This is how you build something for yourself, how you take control of your future. So let's break it down, step by step. Bigger goals will come naturally. You want to know the fastest way to kill your side hustle? Trying to do a million things at once? You got your fingers in all these pies, but you're not really baking anything, are you? This week, pick one income stream and go all in. Maybe it's freelancing, maybe it's affiliate marketing, maybe it's selling Canva templates or diving into print on demand. Whatever it is, make it your focus for the next 7 days. This is about concentrated effort, about becoming a master of one thing. When you spread yourself too thin, you become mediocre at everything. Focus creates growth. Remember that. Chapter 4, Step 3, Block out time. Now it's time to get real with your schedule. Look at your week and block out 3 specific time slots dedicated to your side hustle. I don't care if it's in the morning before work, during your lunch break, or late at night when the world is asleep. Find the time that works for you and make it non-negotiable. And listen, I'm not talking about squeezing in a few minutes here and there. I'm talking about dedicated, focused blocks of time where you're fully present, fully engaged in your hustle. 3 focus sessions are going to be infinitely more productive than 7 scattered, half-assed attempts. Chapter 5. Step 4. Do income work only. This is where the real magic happens. When it's hustle time, it's hustle time. No distractions, no excuses. Put your phone on airplane mode, close those extra tabs, and get to work. This is your time to pitch clients, write content, build your website, create your products, whatever it is that's going to move the needle for your business. Don't waste this precious time scrolling through social media, catching up on emails, or doing busy work that doesn't directly contribute to your income. Protect this time like it's the most valuable asset you have, because it is. Chapter 6, Step 5, Weekly Check-In. Alright, it's the end of the week, take a step back and look at what you accomplished. Did you hit your goal? Did you fall short? What worked well? What could have gone better? This isn't about beating yourself up if things didn't go perfectly. It's about learning, adjusting, and constantly improving your process. Maybe you need to tweak your schedule, maybe you need to refine your offer, maybe you need to try a different approach. The key is to constantly be experimenting, to constantly be learning and growing. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Small adjustments week after week will lead to massive results over time. There you have it, your blueprint for a killer week. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes dedication, consistency, and a whole lot of hustle. But trust me, when you start seeing those results, when you start seeing that money hit your account, it's all going to be worth it. So go out there, crush your goals, and build the life you deserve. Run your week like a business, and the income will follow. Like this video if you're planning your week, and subscribe for more side hustle wins.